How do you make sure that your GDPR documentation are always up to date? It's a shame if you and your team have used time and effort on preparing and documenting GDPR, but then it's put in a drawer and you haven't looked at it for a while, and you can say now it's no longer representing the reality. This is why Privacy as a platform can help you with a validation flow where you can go through your documentation regularly and make sure that it's always a representation of how the real world is looking right now. The validation flow is started in the annual wheel. Here you can start planning who and how often each processing activity in Privacy needs to be looked at. When you have planned the task, the next step will be that your colleagues will get a notification from Privacy. This notification will make sure that the colleagues know which processing activities that they need to validate. They can get an overview and see on the process bars which processing activities that still need to be validated. From the processing activity overview, you can now start the validation flow. Here you can look at the data documented and see if it still represents how reality is right now. You are also able to make updates and mark each step as validated. When you have validated each step, you'll be able to mark the full processing activity as validated, and now the task is done. It will be moved to done in task management. You can see on the progress bar that it's now validated, and you can on each single processing activity get an overview when it was validated last time and by whom.